Hello friends, welcome to our channel Freshers Now, India's first employment portal. So today in this video, I will talk about the notification of IBPS PO post. So let's go to Google Chrome. Let's go to Google and search for IBPS PO jobs 2020 notification Freshers Now. So if you see here, we got some results. Click the first page. So here IBPS PO jobs 2020 notification. So if you see here, there are some details over here. Organizational name is Institute of Banking Personnel Selection. Post name is Management Trainee or Probationary Officer. And the vacancies for this post is 3,517. So the application date starts from 28th October 2020 and the closing date is 11th October 2020. So the application mode is as usually online. So the category is bank jobs. The selection process for this post is written test and interview. The job location for this post is across India. So it may be Delhi, it may be Andhra Pradesh, it may be Telangana, it may be Karnataka. So throughout India, pan India, the job location will be anywhere. So the official site for this is ibps.in. So if you see here the vacancies for the Bank of Baroda, Bank of India, Bank of Maharashtra, Central Bank, Canara Bank, Indian Bank, and there are so many banks over here. So if you see here, there are some vacancies for the SC, ST, OBC, UR. So there are so many categories and the posts. So if you see here, the qualification for IBPS PO CRP MTX is Institute of Banking Personnel Selection officials are inviting the applications from the candidates who finished their graduation from any recognized institution or university in India. So the person who want to apply for this post should be completed his or her graduation, which is recognized either it may be institute or university in India. So what is the age limit for this post? IBS PO CRP MTX. Applicants with their age between 20 years to 30 years can go ahead and apply for the Institute of Banking Personnel Selection PO 2020 notification. So for this post, the people who are between 20 years to 30 years can apply for this post. So if you cross 30 years, this post is not for you. So the next thing is the selection process. Let's see the selection process. IBPS Probationary Officer, Management Trainee, CRPX selection process. Institute of Banking Personnel Selection officers officials are going to select the candidates based on the performance in written test and interview. We already know that. So let's talk about the salary package. So for the hired candidates, the salary will be 23,700 rupees per month. Okay, this is the salary package for the person. So this is the salary for the post. So let's see the application fee. So all others categories is 600 rupees. For SC, ST, PWD candidates, it is just 100 rupees only. The application fee is just 100 rupees only. So how to apply for this post? See in the practical way. So if you see here the application form 2020 IBPS, click here. So you will drive to this page, and if you see here, if you want to log in, you have to just register for this. If you see in the top right side, you have click here for new registration. Click over there. So if you see here, you will get all the details which you have to submit. The first name, confirm your first name. It would be just 35 characters only. The middle name, last name. So again, you have to write your full name. So the mobile number, confirm your mobile number. So please do not prefix 0. So you should not start your number with 0. Your email ID, confirm your email ID. It is a security code. You have to next apply. So if you see here, after completion of this basic information, you have to go for photo and signature. Let's go to the next page. So before going to the next page, you have to complete all the details. If you see in the top right side, you have photo and signature, and the next thing is details. You have to complete your details over there, and the next thing is preview. You can see the preview of your application, and you can upload, and the payment mode. The last thing is payment mode. The person who I already mentioned you the fee, application fee. So this is the process of applying for IBPS PO jobs. And if you want to know the updates of this IBPS PO post, we will give you the link in the description. Just go through it and just open that link frequently to know the updates of this IBPS PO post. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please do like and share to your friends who are interested in this IBPS PO post and other government jobs. If you have any doubt regarding this, just drop us a comment. We will definitely get back to you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get the notifications when we upload a new video. Thank you. Jai Hind.